Let's talk about how to plan a trip using Google Maps to help you plan. I'll go find out what what park I'm going to, and I'll obtain one of their park maps before I start my planning so I can kind of get an idea of the campsites that they do have. I then plot the start of my trip and the finish of my trip on Google Maps, get an idea of just how far it is one way, and then I will actually start uh, going down through the map itself and see what areas I need to go if I need to adjust it to a different area. Also, I can see if there's construction on the trip as also. Also, then I find out what exit I have to take, 315 in this case, in order to make the turn to travel on towards the park. Traveling on towards the park, taking these various roads, and it takes me right into the park. I then check in at the actual park ranger area. This is a state park, and obtain another map. So I have a map that shows the layouts, the hiking, and all the other aspects of the park. I can also see, and I will blow up the actual sites map to tell that I have reserved number 15, which is in case a back-end site, but it's a large back-end site. I then can I have also been able to look at a satellite view of Site 15 you see there, and also get an idea of just what it looks like in the surrounding area around Site 15. It works out real well for me. I'm able to get an idea of just what I'm getting into as far as the park is concerned, and also I can show you what it looks like.